What's up, guys? Welcome back. Mike Shannon with Michigan Muscle. I've got my buddy Grifka over, a Supermoto dirt bike, and I've got a cool new product to show off today that I'm actually really impressed with. One of my buddies up at school developed it, and it's actually awesome. So before we get started with that though, Grifka wanted to see the new toy. This Butte, it's a 68 Firebird Pro Touring Edition. It's got an LS7 in it with a T56 trans, but I'm gonna go through this car later in another video. I don't want to give you guys too much away. Got that $2.99 a month special going. Yeah. My buddy's company is called KBS Car Care. You should go check them out. This is my favorite product that they make. It's Multiclean. All of their products are specially formulated in Europe, so it's not like your typical knockoff where they rebrand the same product. I mean, if you look at like Wax for Dads versus Chemical Guys, it's the exact same product. This is not. Yeah, Brian can agree because he used Wax for Dads or sponsored or by them, yeah. Whatever. It was just repackaged Chemical Guys. Yeah, so this isn't. This is actually formulated by them, which is really cool. And what's even cooler is the stuff works phenomenally. So I track my car every now and again. I had the car perfectly clean before the track. As you can see, the wheels are absolutely filthy. This is 2 days after. And the brake dust is baked on. I actually boiled my fluid, so they're getting pretty hot out there. I'm looking for a 6-piston upgrade. So if anyone out there knows anyone that has 6-piston calipers, let me know if you want to sell them. But you can see them, these are terrible. They're just baked on. So I'm going to show you how well this stuff works. Literally, all you have to do is get the wheels a little bit misted with water, and then you spray this stuff on, and it literally eats the brake dust away. It's phenomenal. And then with a little bit of a brush, it takes everything off. There's no residue left. It literally takes off everything. So it's really concentrated. It works great, but all the products speak for itself. Go check it out. Kind of missed it a little bit. You can already see a lot of the other residues running off, but there's still a ton of stuff on there. Sorry about the driveway, Mom and Dad. But open this up a little bit and start misting it on. And you can dilute this too. This is as concentrated as it gets right now. We're gonna let that sit on there for a little bit. All right, gonna get our brush a little wet. And now we're gonna lightly scrub the rims. All right, now we're gonna power wash the residue off, and it's gonna leave us with literally perfect rims. Check that out. Easy. It took like what, 30 seconds maybe? That's it, guys. Go check them out. I can put a link to their website in the description, but it's really good stuff. I wouldn't post on here if I didn't like it, because I'm not gonna promote stuff that's crap or just for whatever reason. But this stuff actually works really well. It's literally the best product that I've had as a multi-cleaner. Better than Chemical Guys, better than Adams, better than anything I've tried so far. So I'm really impressed with it. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. But as always, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and comment below. Thanks for watching.